When you open an online store, hundreds of products appear instantly. But where do these products come from? They're not stored directly in the website. They are fetched from a server. Many modern e-commerce platforms are built with React. When the page loads, the React application sends a request to a server asking for product data. This request is called an API request. The server checks its database and sends back product information like name, price, image, and description. Think of it like asking a store employee, "Do you have headphones available?" The employee checks the inventory and shows you the available options. Once the data arrives, React stores it in the component's state so the application can use it. React then loops through the product data and creates product components for each item. This is why product pages are dynamic. Instead of hard-coding products, React generates them automatically based on the data it receives. Imagine a store employee placing products on shelves as soon as they arrive from the warehouse. React works the same way by displaying products as soon as the data arrives. If the store adds new products to the database, the website automatically shows them without changing the code. This is how React loads and displays products in modern e-commerce apps.